One question I get asked a lot is, how do I hang my artwork? And I like to say, there's an art to hanging art. So I've got my trusty little caddy, and we're gonna hang some art. So we like for the art to be a natural extension of the furniture that's beneath it, so we don't want any large gaps between the furniture and the bottom of the art. I like my art to be between 6 and 8 inches above the furniture. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip the picture over and we're gonna measure from the bottom of the picture to the top of the wire. And then we're gonna add 6 inches, 7 inches to that. And that's where we're gonna mark our hook in the drywall. So we'll hammer all that in, and then we can grab our art and hang it on the hook. And we're done. If you need help picking out art or hanging it, come see one of our designers today.